the altered air hurries the ultimate leaf, announcing the arrival of summer. The sun shines brighter than before, and the king of fruit reign the local markets. The luscious, succulent, and delicious mango is a fruit that most people cannot resist.
Pregnant women continue to crave even more owing to their sweet and sour taste, be it the sour and tangy flavor of raw mango or palatableness of ripe mango. You must be worried about consuming them during pregnancy. Don't let your apprehension stop you from enjoying such delicacy. Moms to be hear all time what they should and shouldn't be eating. You must have asked yourself about the safety of consumption of mango during pregnancy. You also must be having answer to it. So today I am going to talk to you about mango and clear any uncertainties you have regarding them. So let's get started. Yes, mangoes are safe during pregnancy. It will provide you with vital nutrients, immense energy, and whole lot of antioxidants. So I request you to not just eat mangoes because you crave it, eat it to extract all its benefits for yourself and baby. So have a look at the following to know more about the benefits of mangoes during pregnancy. Mango is rich in iron. It helps to prevent anemia, which is a prevalent condition during pregnancy, thereby lessening the need for iron supplement. Consumption of 1 to 2 mangoes every day increases the red blood cell count, which is required to combat anemia. Mango has folic acid in abundance. This folic acid is needed for the development of the fetus. Consumption of mango in the first trimester will assist in the growth of the nervous system and brain of the fetus. Mango has high level of the dietary fiber that will keep the digestive system in a robust condition. To overcome constipation, it is essential to add mango in your diet. This will also make sure that your morning defecation is smooth and pain-free. Though you should keep a watch on the quantity as excess quantity may lead to gases and uncomfortable feeling. Mango is loaded with vitamin C, which acts like a vigorous antioxidant. This prevents free radicals from growing inside the human body. These free radicals can be created by tobacco, radiation, or any other chemical substances which can cause cancer and affect the fetus. Now, this vitamin C is also known to reduce the preterm labor risk. Mango is adorned with magnesium, which is a natural antidote for high blood pressure. This prevents a condition called preeclampsia, which is a high blood pressure during pregnancy. This preeclampsia can also cause seizures during pregnancy. To prevent these seizures, it is essential to add mango in your diet. Morning sickness, which is a very common complaint during pregnancy, can also be reduced by adding mango in your diet. Vitamin B6 in mango also makes your morning bearable for you. Mango is enriched with vitamin A, which is needed for the development of the bone, teeth, and eyes of your baby. Now, if you are taking a vitamin A supplements, do consult with your doctor because excess of vitamin A can also lead to the liver toxicity. Now, potassium is a substance that helps us to sustain our body fluid balance, which is also vital during pregnancy. Now, excess of this fluid can also hamper the movement and it can be dangerous too. So, include a mango in your diet to keep that potassium at its best level. Now, the sugar content in the mango, make sure you do not succumb to sugar cravings. Also prevents the consumption of the artificial sugar and preservatives. 1 cup of your daily mango provides you with 100% of your daily vitamin C, 35% of your daily folate, 12% of your daily fiber, 10% of your daily vitamin B6, and 10% of your copper. With all these nutrients and vitamins, it is difficult to say no to mango. The fruit king is known to Indians for at least 6,000 years. It also finds mention in ancient Sanskrit literature such as Ramayana. According to Ayurveda, mango balances all three doshas and acts as an energizer. Now, the properties of green mangoes are astringent, sour, and cooling, whereas naturally ripened mangoes does not have any side effect on the mother and baby. Eating a ripe mango in pregnancy has its advantage, provided the serving or the portion size are followed properly. There is a well known myth that eating a ripe mango in pregnancy increases the body heat, which is also called as the thermogenesis of food. Now, there are certain foods like spices, chilies, garlic, and other herbal products that require more energy to digest and process food. That causes the more heat in the body. However, there are no such proof that ripe mango in pregnancy increases the body heat or causes harm to the baby. Raw mango have a lot of vitamin C which assist in meeting the daily requirement of the calcium and strengthen the bones. It has an anti-inflammatory property. It strengthens the blood vessels which exerts a lot of pressure during the pregnancy. It increases the new RBCs, thereby reducing the chances of spotting during pregnancy. Eating unripe mango during pregnancy reduces the intensity of the morning sickness. Acidity and constipation are two common complaints during pregnancy, which can also be avoided by eating unripe mangoes. It is packed with phytonutrients like flavonoids and beta carotene. Last trimester of the pregnancy is the most crucial part, where you need energy in abundance. Since mangoes are full of energy and sugar, you can include them in your snack time in the third trimester. Do not exceed beyond 2 to 3 mangoes per day. Keep in mind, moderation is a key. Since mangoes are high in calories, you may be advised to avoid mangoes during gestational diabetes. Let me tell you, mangoes are not only safe but also helps to reduce your blood glucose level. You can start with 1 mango per day. Check your blood glucose level. If it is in normal range, you can exceed the quantity. At the same time, you can include low glycemic food in your diet, which is safe in diabetes. Mango is a rich source of energy. With all these vitamins and nutrients, it is required in abundance during pregnancy. However, moderation is the key. So do not exceed beyond 2 to 3 mangoes per day. Since mangoes have more sugar than most of the fruits, this makes it an alternative to cakes and pastries when you are craving for a sugary treat. You can include the raw mango in the form of a chutney, salad, or juices. Make sure you are not adding any of the artificial or synthetic sugar in it. Also, limit the salt intake and spices inside any of the juices or salad. If you wish to have a homemade pickle, you can have, but occasionally. Please do not take any of the store-bought pickles. You can include the ripe mango in the form of a ripe one. Do not mix the ripe mango along with any of the cooked food like dal, sabzi, roti or rice. I repeat, do not mix the ripe mango along with dal, roti, sabzi or rice or any of the cooked food, since it disturbs the absorption of the ripe mango. At the same time, you don't get most of the nutrients that you should get it for you and your baby.
Artificial ripening is usually done so that the fruit looks ripe and sell fast. Artificially ripened mangoes may contain traces of calcium carbide, the ripening agent which may expose the mother and baby to the ill effects of arsenic and phosphorus. Here are a few side effects of eating artificially ripened mangoes: diarrhea, mood swing, dizziness, headache, seizure, confusion, sleepiness, tingling in hands and feet. To reduce mango's exposure to toxins, a simple precaution that you can take to reduce the risk of adverse effect. Soak mango for 1 to 2 hours after you get it from the market. After soaking, wash the mango before consumption ensures removal of any residual ripening agent. Remove the peel before you eat the flesh. Do not eat mango along with the peel. It also reduces the risk of exposure to toxins. Make sure you clean your knives, chopping board, and wash your hands thoroughly after peeling and cutting the mangoes. It is not always easy to tell if the mangoes you are buying are artificially ripened or not. The best way is to buy raw mango and ripen them at home. Buy raw mango from the market, cover them with a thick blanket or a jute cloth. Let them stay inside the cloth for 3 to 4 days and they will be ripened naturally.
A family is the best thing a person can have, and creating a new life is the most wonderful thing. Starting a family of your own is a dream desired by everyone, wherein you will experience several things. You will find a lot of changes within yourself. The challenges will arrive and your priorities will change. Your top priority will be the well being of your baby and yourself. During this time, you will receive well meaning and unsolicited advice from your friends and relatives. It could be related to you, things you should do or shouldn't do, food you should eat or do not eat. These things may vary, but when it comes to eating food, most of the pregnant women are in the dilemma. One such type of dilemma was consumption of mango. In future videos, I will talk about many such things related to pregnancy. I hope this video was useful to you. Well, I get some mangoes for myself. Take care of yourself until next time. Stay safe, stay home.